Hey everybody, it's Natasha with the Food Factor. Do you love pie but you need a gluten-free option? I think you're gonna like this crustless sweet potato pie. Let's get into it. Okay, so preheat your oven to 400 degrees and go ahead and spray your pie pan with a non-stick cooking spray. Then you have your 4 eggs. You're gonna put them in your mixing bowl and go ahead and mix your eggs. Beat your eggs first. And this is our sweet potatoes. We're putting in our evaporated milk, the sugar, pumpkin pie spice. Here is your vanilla extract and your salt. And then we're going to mix all of this together. Okay, so after you've mixed everything, you want to pour it over into your pie pan. Okay, mixed everything together, put it in the pie pan. Now it's going in the oven for 15 minutes. All right, timer is up and let's see if the pie is done. Way to do a test is to take a knife, put it in the center. Comes out clean, which this one is clean. It's time to eat.